Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to explore how to talk about food preferences and going to restaurants in French. This is a super practical topic. You'll use it in daily life, while traveling, and it also comes up often in the TEF or TCF oral exams. Here's what you'll learn today. Vocabulary for food and meals, how to express your tastes, what you like and dislike, how to order food at a restaurant, how to talk about your eating habits or describe a meal. All of this will help you sound more fluent and confident in real-world situations. Let's go over our goals for this module. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your favorite and least favorite foods, use verbs like aimer, preferer, and detester for eating, understand and give simple orders at a restaurant, talk about meals and your eating habits, answer TEF TCF questions about food clearly and comfortably. Let's begin. First, let's review some basic food vocabulary. Repeat these aloud with me. Le pain, bread, le fromage, cheese, la viande, meat, le poisson, fish, les légumes, vegetables, les fruits, l'eau, water, le jus, le café, le thé, coffee, tea. We also use these words for meals: le petit déjeuner, breakfast, le déjeuner, lunch, le dîner, dinner, un plat, a dish or main course, un dessert, dessert. These words will be useful both in conversation and when reading menus. Now, let's talk about expressing food preferences. Here are the key verbs we use. J'aime, I like, je n'aime pas, I don't like, j'adore, I love, je déteste, I hate, je préfère, I prefer. Let's see some examples. J'aime le chocolat. Je n'aime pas les oignons. J'adore les fruits de mer. Je déteste le lait. Je préfère le thé au café. Now try a few for yourself. Think of foods you like or don't like and say them out loud using these sentence patterns. Let's move on to ordering at a restaurant. When you enter, you might say, Bonjour, une table pour deux, s'il vous plaît. A table for two, please. To order food, say, Je voudrais, I would like, je prends, I'll have. For example, Je voudrais un steak, s'il vous plaît. Je prends un jus d'orange. To ask for the bill, l'addition, s'il vous plaît. The bill, please. And to compliment the food, c'était délicieux. It was delicious. If you can memorize these simple expressions, you'll be well prepared to eat out in French and to answer restaurant-related exam questions. Let's practice. Try answering the following questions out loud. Quel est ton plat préféré? Est-ce que tu manges souvent au restaurant? Qu'est-ce que tu détestes manger? Que bois-tu le matin et le soir? Tu préfères le sucré ou le salé? Try to answer with full sentence like Mon plat préféré, c'est le riz au curry. Je le mange souvent avec ma famille. Je n'aime pas les champignons. Le matin, je bois du café. You can pause here and take your time to practice. And now, some quick tips for the TEF TCF oral exam. Be prepared to talk about food you like and don't like. That's a common warm-up question. Speak naturally, like you're describing your lunch to a friend. Use full sentences and basic connectors like et, mais, and parce que. If you're asked to describe a dish, think about what it's made of, how it tastes, and when you eat it. Keep it simple, and remember, confidence and clarity are more important than complex vocabulary. That's it for this module. You now know how to talk about food, order at a restaurant, and express your tastes, all in French. That's a big step toward everyday fluency and exam readiness. Take a moment to review, and I'll see you in the next lesson.